Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you all practical number 5.1 of TYCS data science. Let me go ahead. Your question is this. The code is import numpy SNP from SciPy import stars. So basically what do you mean by ANOVA? It's a one-way ANOVA is a statistical test which used to compare the means of three or more groups to check whether there is a significant difference among them. So I have to import two libraries. One is NumPy and SciPy. NumPy, you all know what is it, and Skype also I have explained to you all previously. Next we have is Spring One-Way ANOVA test. This is the title of the program. Next I have Group 1, Group 2 and Group 3. Here I have created three groups of data which contains 5 values. These could represent the marks of the students from different classes. Next we have print HO, all group means are equal. Print H1, at least one group mean is different. So H0 is null hypothesis where all group averages are equal. And H1 is my alternating hypothesis which at least one group average is different. Next I have F stat key value is equal to stats dot F underscore one way group 1, group 2, group 3. Now here what does it do? It is a F statistic is basically the ratio variation between groups to variation within group. Key value helps to decide whether and this helps me to calculate the F value and P value. Next, we have as alpha is equal to 0.05. This sets the significance level to 5%. This is the threshold for decision making. Next, we have if P underscore value less than alpha. If P is less than 0.05, it rejects the HO, that is null hypothesis, and then it prints the conclusion at least one group known is significantly different. Else, if it is greater than alpha, it will print decision fail to reject null hypothesis and the conclusion will be no significant difference between group means. This is your output. As you can see the conclusion, at least one group mean is significantly different. Now, let me take you a real life example. If I have, suppose, let's imagine, I have group 1, which of marks class A, group 2 marks of class B, and group 3 class of C. Now, what does that ANOVA does is, it will check whether all classes perform the same or one class perform differently. So here the research shows that one class has significantly different performance. So that is what ANOVA is trying to tell you about. So this is the output. You all can go through it. I hope you all have understood the concept. If you have any doubts related to the topic, you all can drop a comment. Thank you.